Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you guys saw last week's video, I did a little tease at the end of it of what was going to come for this week. And this week we have an air compressor. So I'm going to be installing this on the truck. But a few things, some of the compressors out there can go for hundreds of dollars. This one new reached about for 160. I actually got this online used for 50 bucks on a website called OfferUp. It's a really good deal. And once you guys see how it came, I think he might have used it once or twice at most. He said he just didn't need it no more and stuff like that, so he wanted to get rid of it. He initially wanted 75, but after talking to him and everything, I gave him 50 for it. But yeah, it seems really new, and I'll give you guys a quick run through of what it comes with. Alright guys, so actually the funnest and probably the hardest part of this project is getting the compressor itself to fit it inside the engine bay. I think it's possible though. A little bit of time, which I have a lot right now. I think I'll get this in here, have it full-time on board. Alright guys, so obviously it won't fit like this how it is inside the engine bay, so we have to remove some of this stuff and I'm show you guys how I do that, okay? Okay, so after removing everything that wasn't necessary, we're left with this right over here. So now this is a lot more manageable to be able to make it fit in there than with all the other stuff. Alright, so now I used some of this foam, rubber foam, put it in the back so it'll help reduce vibration and also protects the pan as well. It is metal on metal, so this should help a little bit for that. Alright guys, as you guys just saw, that compressor is working perfectly and I'm really happy with the end result of that project, guys. It's actually rated for a 35-inch tire. I currently run a 31. I'll be upgrading to bigger tires soon. I wish I could do a 33, guys, but as you guys know, 33 gets a little complicated when it comes to Tacomas. You're looking at new control arms, new suspension, and probably to cut some stuff off the fender wells and stuff like that. Unfortunately, as you guys know, this is a lease, so I can't do any of that. So I'll stick with the 32, play on the safer side, a 265, 75, 16. And this compressor should have no issues whatsoever airing those up. So I'm really looking forward to hitting the trails and be able to do that. But in the meantime, guys, thank you for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or new ideas, do leave them in the comment section below, guys. And thank you for watching, guys. Do subscribe and have a good day.